Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing 5 health benefits of beets. Many of us are looking for healthy options to improve overall health, and beets absolutely serve that purpose. The first benefit of beets is it can help keep your blood pressure in check. Drinking a glass of beet juice may have an immediate impact on lowering blood pressure. Previously thought, drinking beet juice, also known as beetroot juice, could lower blood pressure in a controlled setting. Since, researchers now say adding beet juice to a healthy person's diet without any other diet or lifestyle changes can have a positive impact on blood pressure. Beets contain naturally high levels of nitrates, which your digestive system converts into nitric oxide. This compound relaxes and widens blood vessels, which, in turn, lowers blood pressure. The next benefit of beet juice is it can help fight inflammation. Chronic inflammation is associated with a number of diseases, such as obesity, heart disease, liver disease, and cancer. Beets contain pigments called betalains, which may potentially possess a number of anti-inflammatory properties. Research shows that consuming only 16 ounces a day can assist with this common condition. Another well-known benefit of beets are it may help improve overall digestion. Dietary fiber is an important component of a healthy diet. It has been linked to many health benefits, including improved digestion. 1 cup of beetroot contains 3.4 grams of fiber, making beets a good fiber source. Fiber bypasses digestion and heads down to the colon, where it either feeds the friendly gut bacteria or adds bulk to stool. The fourth benefit of beets is it can aid with weight loss. Beets have several nutritional properties that should make them good for weight loss. First, beets are low in calories and high in water. Increasing your intake of low-calorie foods like fruits and vegetables has been associated with weight loss. Furthermore, despite their low-calorie content, beets contain moderate amounts of protein and fiber. These are both important nutrients for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. The last overall health benefit of beets are, well, if prepared properly, they can be extremely tasty. Beets can be juiced, roasted, steamed, or pickled. Also, they can be bought pre-cooked and canned for convenience. Choose beets that are heavy for their size with fresh, unwilted green leafy tops still attached. Dietary nitrates are water-soluble, so it is best to avoid boiling beets to maximize their nitrate content. Beets can be added to your salads, dip, or included in your favorite smoothie. So there you have it, 5 amazing health benefits of beets. So whether you are looking to improve your overall health, lose weight, or just add a tasty micronutrient-rich vegetable to your daily diet, beets are the way to go. Thank you so much for watching.